This is the third part of chapter 6 percentage, and in this part we are going to start exercise 6b. So in this exercise we have problem solves. So let's start with question number 1. So 36% of the students in a school are girls. If the number of boys is 1440, find the total strength of the school. So percentage of girls is given, and we don't have the percentage of boys, neither we have the total strength of the school. So let us assume that the total strength of the school be 100%. Percentage of girls is given as 36%. So what is the percentage of boys? That is 100 minus 36, that is equal to 64%. And it is said that the number of boys is 1440. So can we tell that 64% of the total strength is 1440? So according to the question, we'll write the equation as 64% of total students is equals to 1440. So 64% can be written as 64 by 100 into total students is equal to 1440. Now we'll keep this total students in the left hand side, because that is what we have to find, and we'll bring the 64 by 100 to the right hand side. So this 100 is in the denominator, which we'll bring to the right hand side, so it will be multiplied and placed in the numerator. This 64 in the numerator will come to the right hand side and will be placed in the denominator as division. So the equation will be 1440 into 100 by 64. If I calculate this, our answer will be 2250. So the total number of students, or the total strength of this school, is equals to 2250 students. Next, question number 3. In an examination, a student has to secure 40% marks to pass. Rahul gets 178 marks and fails by 32 marks. That means if Rahul would have scored 178 plus 32, he would have passed the examination. That means 178 plus 32 is equals to 40% of the total marks. So what are the maximum marks? So first, let the total marks of the examination be x, as we don't know what is the total marks. So let us assume this to be x. Rahul marks is 178 and the passing marks is 178 plus 32, that is 210. So according to the question, we'll write the equation first, that is 40% of x, or the total marks, is equal to 210. So we will write it, we will further move, or we'll further write it as 40 by 100 into x is equals to 210. So x is equal to 210. The 100 will go to the right hand side as multiplication form into 100, and this 40 will come to the right hand side as division. So solving the equation 210 into 100 by 40, we will get the answer as 525. So the total marks, or the maximum marks in the examination, is 525. Next, question number 5. On increasing the price of an article by 14%, it becomes rupees 1995. What was its original price? That means we don't know the original price, so let the original price be x. After increase in price, the new price is 1995. So new price of the article is 1995. So the question, according to the question, the equation will be, since it is written that it was increased, so we will write the equation as x plus 14% of x equals to 1995. That is x plus 14 by 100 into x equals to 1995. Now see, we have x in this left hand side term. So what we'll do is we'll take the LCM as 100. So here we don't have any denominator. That means x's denominator is 1. So 100 will be multiplied with this x. So we'll have 100x plus 14x is equals to 1995. So 100x plus 14x is 114x by 100 equals to 1995. So finding out the value of x, therefore x, keeping the x in the left hand side, which is equal to 1995. This 100 will go to the right hand side and it will be in multiplication form, and 114 will come down in the division form. So solving this 1995 into 100 divided by 114, we will get 1750 as the answer. So the original price of the article was 1750. Next, question number 7. Renu reduced her weight by 15%. If now she weighs 52.7 kg, what was her earlier weight? So let the weight of Renu be x kg. We don't know what was her weight, but her new weight is 52.7 kg. So her present weight is 52.7 kg, and it was said in the question that she has reduced her weight. So the equation will be x minus 15% of x, that is equal to 52.7 kg. So x minus 15 by 100 into x equals to 52.7. Again we have x in this two terms, so we will take 100 as the LCM and we'll have 100x minus 15x is equals to 52.7. Now 100x minus 15x will have 85x in the numerator, divided by 100 equals to 52.7. Therefore the value of x is equals to 52.7 into 100 divided by 85. So if I calculate this or solve this equation, we will get the answer as 62 kg. So previously Renu had 62 kg weight. Now her present weight is 52.7 kg. Now moving on to the last question of this part, question number 9. In an examination, Preeti scored 60 out of 75 in science, 84 out of 100 in mathematics, 36 out of 50 in Hindi, and 30 out of 45 in English. Now as we can see that the maximum marks of each subject are different. Okay, so we cannot compare each of the subjects, any of the subjects. So we have to find a common base. So first part they are asking when which subject her performance is worst, in which subject. Second part, in which subject her performance is the best. Third part, what is her aggregate percentage of marks. Now see, first thing is we cannot compare this marks in this way, as all the each of the subjects has been marked in a different maximum marks. Okay, has different maximum marks for which we cannot compare the subjects. So let us first convert all this marks into a percentage form. So what will happen to each of, if we are converting into percentage, that means each number or each marks will be converted out of 100. Okay, then it will be easier for us to compare all the subjects. So first we'll find out the percentage of marks secured in science, which is 60 by 75 into 100. You know how to find out the percentage, that is marks obtained divided by maximum marks of the subject into 100, which is equals to 80%. Next, percentage of marks secured in mathematics, that is 84. Total marks is out of 100, so 84 divided by 100. This 100 is shifted to the right hand side. I'm sorry, you'll be writing this 100 just below 84. So 84 by 100 into 100, which is equals to 84%. Next, percentage of marks secured in Hindi, that is out of 50, she has secured 36. So we will write 36 by 50 into 100. So if I cancel this, 52 is 100, that is 36 into 2 is 72%. The last one, percentage of marks secured in English. So out of 45, she secured 30. So we'll write it as 30 by 45 into 100. So that is equals to 66.67%. Now see, we can compare it very, very easily. Out of 100, she scored 80%, 84, 72 and 66.67. So now we can easily answer that her performance was worst in English. in which she scored 66.67%. And her performance was best in mathematics, in which she scored 84%. Third part was her aggregate percentage of marks. Now again, see, aggregate percentage of marks means how much she has scored in all the subjects divided by the maximum marks of all subjects into 100. So first we'll start with science. So first marks was of science, which is 60 out of 75, mathematics 84 out of 100, then Hindi 36 out of 50, and English 30 out of 45. So we have arranged the marks accordingly. So addition of the numerator is 210, addition of the denominator, that is 75 plus 100 plus 50 plus 45 is 270 into 100. So solving this equation, we will get the answer as 77.78%. So her overall percentage is 77.78%. So that's all for today's this part. Thank you.